Hey there muscle car fans, thanks again for watching Pedal to the Metal muscle car performance videos. With another amazing car today in the form of this 1968 true and real deal numbers matching Shelby GT500-KR Fastpack. KR, standing for King of the Road, was the first Shelby to be equipped with an all-new Cobra Jet 428 big block engine. In this case with a 4-speed manual transmission, which makes the car very powerful. It's also painted in the very rare, I believe only 50 cars built like this, factory Highland green metallic paint with the black interior. As you can see on the pictures, this car is in an amazing condition because it's been completely restored, but also highly detailed. If you go to our website, you can also find pictures of the underside of this car, which is also completely restored and in factory original as new condition. All the chrome, the emblems, the glass, the details of this car, everything is just in perfect shape. But it's not only perfect condition and looks that makes this car, it also drives amazing. It's a combination of like a survivor car drive, but then you can really feel all the new components in place. It's truly an amazing car, and we can highly recommend that you come and see this car live in our showroom, and you will be stunned of its quality. For the rest, I will have the video speak for itself, and if you want more information, please go online on our website where you can find lots of pictures and all the information and options on this car. Thank you for watching.